how to make money using Pixelicious. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money using Pixelicious. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to pixelicious.xyz. Or you can simply type on Google Pixelicious and just click the first link that come up, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And if you don't know this platform, Pixelicious is an online image to pixel art converter which quickly and easily converts images into pixel art, in which the user simply uploads an image of their choice and select the desired level of pixelation, and once the image is uploaded, Pixelicious will automatically transform the image into retro-style pixel art masterpiece, since pixel art is a form of digital art created using software. And below here is the preview example, in which on the left side, you will see the picture that has been uploaded, while on the right side is the pixelated art of the image that has been uploaded. And you can also download the pixelated art in this platform. And in order to convert an image into pixelated art, all we need to do is to import an image from our computer files. And to do that, kindly click on this and just choose the image that you want to convert into pixelated art, in which in this video, I'm going to use an image from the internet or Google, and I will be using that in order to create a pixelated art in this platform. So I choose an image of the cartoon Doraemon, and under the image section, just choose the image that you want to save. And in all of this picture, I'm going to choose this one. So just save this picture and it will automatically download it and directed into your download files. And after downloading an image from the internet, just go back into this platform and upload a picture that you just saved. And below, you will see that the picture that you just upload are now converted into pixelated art. You can see on the left side the original picture, while on the right side is the pixelated art. And aside from that, you will also see other options below that you can customize, including to remove background of the pixelated art, but it takes time to the background to get removed and you just need to wait for it. And aside from that, you can also choose or customize the color palette, and below you will see the choices of color that you can choose. And you can even set the tone of the color, including the lightness and how dark the color you want it to be. And aside from that, below option, which is the pixel grid size, you can choose here the pixelated resolution, and as you can see, the custom size is 128 pixel, and you can customize it into 32, 64, and even a 256 pixel. And aside from that, below here, you can also turn on the denoising option under advanced settings. And by denoising techniques, it aims to preserve the important details and structures in an image. While below is the other option, which is to reduce its size. And by enabling this option, you will be able to download the pixelated art or image. But before you proceed downloading the pixelated image, you can also check the result by clicking the preview button. So kindly click on this preview and you will be directed in here, in which it will show you the real size preview, which is 128 pixel width, and the color and details of the pixelated art after customizing some of the elements. And after checking the preview result, we can now proceed by downloading the pixelated art or image. And using the pixelated art that we just generate, we can make money out of it, since pixel art holds significance both artistically and culturally, as it is appreciated for its aesthetics, creative challenges, versatility, and its ability to evoke nostalgia and engage with dedicated community. And now, if you're still not satisfied with the result, you can proceed by uploading another picture that will be converted into pixel art. So let's say I'm gonna choose another picture, but this time, it is now Pokemon. So just proceed on the image section, in which below here, you will see different kind of images that you can choose that will be used in converting into pixel art. And in all images below, I'm gonna choose this white. So kindly save this picture and downloaded it, and after that, the same process, which is to go back to this website and just upload or import the files or images that we just saved. And after that, it will show you the original and the pixelated art with your picture. And the same process below that you can customize other elements, such as to remove background, change the color palette, the pixel grid size, and any other option before downloading the pixelated art or picture. And in order to make money out of this artwork, we can sell this digital art to some marketplace online, such as this platform called itch.io. It is a digital distribution platform primarily used and focused on indie games, game development tools, and other digital content. And now let's proceed on the search bar and kindly type pixel art in order to know if this platform also sells a pixel art digital content. And after clicking enter, it will show you the results below, in which from here, you will see variety of digital artwork that has been selling online, with the title, description, and the corresponding prices below. And this platform will be the best way in selling the artwork or pixelated art using the Pixelicious.io, since this marketplace has gained popularity among indie developers and players due to its supportive community, flexible distribution options, and accessible pricing models. While the other options of marketplace platform that we can sell our pixelated artwork is the website called Etsy.com, in which Etsy is an e-commerce platform that specializes in connecting buyers and sellers of handmade, vintage, and unique goods. And in order to find other similar artwork or digital pixelated artwork, we can use the search bar on Etsy and just type pixel art. And upon clicking enter, it will show you the results below, in which you will see here a variety of pixelated artwork that can be sold in this marketplace, including the pixel art poster, pixel art collections, and many more. And you can earn money by selling your artwork in this marketplace. And as you can see here, you can earn at least 43 pesos, 355 pesos, and even 1,000 pesos depending on your artwork. And using the platform Pixelicious, you will be able to earn money by selling your pixel art in this marketplace, as this platform offers features and tools that make it easy for sellers to manage their shop, create product listing, set prices, communicate with customers, and handle transactions. In which using this platform, by uploading a picture and transforming or converting it into pixel art, you can earn money by selling the artwork on some other marketplace or platform such as itch.io and etsy.com. So that is just how to make money using Pixelicious. Thank you.